grow up, I do not play around trees anymore. I want toys, I wanted to buy them. But you can pick all of my apples and sell them. So you Police from Ayurveda. From Ayurveda. The boy was so excited he kept all the apples on the tree and left happily. He saw the apples and then got money. Okay, no, I can buy it. Thank you. He bought toys of his choices. The boy never complained after he picked the apples. The tree was saved. Into a mandate. The tree was excited. I do not have time to play. I baby. Really, so Teresa, can you help me? Sorry, but I do not have any house. But you can jump on my branches to leave the house. The man cut all the branches of the tree was and left it. He grabbed all the branches and built the house. Can you build a house for me? My customer was delighted. I want to self-relax myself. Can you give me a ball? You can use my son to build your boat so you can sail away and be happy. He went swimming in the water for a long time. And after many years, no, I don't have I I cannot leave us now. Just up there to rest. I am tired of this job. The man sat down and the tree was glad to smile with tears. This is the story of them. I compared trees like our parents when we were young. We loved to play with our friends. And when we grow up, we leave them. Only come to them when we need something or when we are in trouble. No matter what, parents always be there and give everything they could just to make you happy. No man in the world is close to the sea, but that is how all of us treat our parents. We don't appreciate all they do for us. We take them, we don't appreciate all they do. May Allah forgive us our shortcomings and mistakes.